Hello YouTube people, my name is Kay. Oops, my mom is calling my dog. Hello YouTube people, my name is Kay. So basically this is my first ever vlog, I can say, because this is my first time actually talking in front of a camera. I do have a lot of videos in my YouTube where I did traveling in Europe, in India, and in Nepal where I did a bungee jumping. This is my first ever vlog which I actually talk like this because I hate myself seeing in cameras. Like, it's kind of annoying, I don't know. But today, I guess I'm vlogging. So my first ever vlog, it's not supposed to be my first ever vlog, but since it's just easy and maybe I can just upload it right away or maybe in a couple of days or tomorrow. So let's do it. So guys, I ended up with the same clothes that I wear right now. I can't find any dress that I have that has a collar in it. So I just find this cloth fine. So I'm going to wear it. And also I remove my necklace and my earrings. Maybe I'm just going to leave it as it is because it's not too big and it's not dangling as well. This is the scenario right now. This is going to be my background, my white background, and then I'm just going to put my camera over this chair, just going to fix it over here. So I'm done shooting photos and I think so I am done shooting photos and I'm going to choose which one is the best from like 500 photos that I shot. Just kidding. So yeah, I'm going to show you.